Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for cars on the Trovit Cars application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the search icon down below, type in the name of a brand or a model. Then you should you can search for a location as well, or you can also allow the app to have access to your location. Then you can also select the minimum to maximum price if you have any in mind. Then the mileage too can be set, and the year too. And after applying these filters, tap on the show ads button, and here you're going to find all of the results, so feel free to browse among these. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.